Hello, statistics students. Here's another video on the chi-square test for associations between categorical variables. In this video, we're just going to do a very brief snapshot or a brief description of what the chi-square test of independence and homogeneity does or is. Just a snapshot. So what is it? It's a test of whether two categorical variables are associated. What does it do? Using the chi-square statistic, we compare the observed counts in each outcome category with the counts we would expect if the variables were not related. If observations are too different from expectations, then the assumption there is no association between the categorical variables looks suspicious. So this would give us a large chi-square statistic, which would be a small p-value, which would mean we would most likely reject the null in favor of the alternative, stating that they are related. How does it do it? If the sample size is large enough and basic conditions are met, then the chi-square statistic follows approximately a chi-square distribution with the degrees of freedom, one less than the number of rows times one less than the number of columns. From that, we get the p-value, which is the probability of getting a value as large as or larger than the observed chi-square statistic using the chi-square distribution. How is it used? To compare distributions of two categorical variables. And this concludes this video of a snapshot of the chi-square test of independence and homogeneity.